Right, hi everyone. So, magla-login po tayo sa IMG portal natin. Since bago, kailangan po natin ayusin to. Mag-sign, then click yung agree for Soldibo funds. Tapos, updates, promote me. Then, click natin to. Promote me to associate. Click yung claim. Then, yung own savings plan, yung Kaiser long-term care natin. Lagay po natin yung application number. So, check natin siya sa Kaiser portal. Tapos, click yung checkbox dyan. Tapos, submit claim. Wait lang din po natin after a few days para maging associate na po tayo. From member to associate. Yan. Let me know if you have questions para mag-guide po namin kayo. Thank you.